Hold. Sit. Do it again. We never catch it. Oh my! I'm Fabian from Jamaica. Big up every time.
Okay.
Big up every time. What's your name first?
Lisa.
Lisa, you're Lisa. Does she look like a Lisa? Oh my, like a Mona Lisa to me. That is it. What about you? What's your name?
Princess.
Princess? Oh yeah.
Like a princess,
Big up.
right?
Princess, this man. Yeah man. Princess. Barbie that. Dolly. Dolly. Yeah, we call them Dolly. Let's go. Jamaica walk by. Let's do this. Sky's the limit. Yeah. Ready? Fast, yeah. Ready? Yes, Father God, big up and thank you so much. You don't know my father foreign come buy Lamborghini. You understand? I couldn't buy this at Jamaica, so my father foreign come buy Lamborghini. Look good. Jano, look on this. Lamborghini. Only foreign, only America I could have buy one. Allow me to tell. None of my one. But I got to start my video over Icon Park, but I couldn't start the video over Icon Park after seeing this beauty thing right here. So. Oh my word. This is a beauty. No joke, no doubt. You understand? So, yeah, I actually stand up at this place. You understand? It's, say the word, it's a steakhouse. What's the name of it again? Say it? Vito's? Yeah, so it's Vito's Chop House. You understand? And here it says like the fine dining place in America, over in Florida. You see, and people forwarding them number, look good. You understand? So, I'm talk a little bit about the place. You understand? It's a fine dining place. You understand? No joke, no doubt. You can do reservations. So the type of food that them do is actually top class food when it comes down to steak. So it's a steakhouse. So you can forward, they get a little bit of Italian food as well in there. And as you can see, the type of people them are forward. Big up to my Valley youth over here, sir. Big general. He's also a YouTuber. So him do hiking videos. So make sure you guys check him out. You understand? So look what I go on. Once you watch a video you forward right so just make them know that Jamaica walk by your seat pan. But me did have to stop because of the Lamborghini. No joke, no doubt. You understand? Beautiful place. You understand? So this steakhouse actually, you know, accommodate a lot of persons, you know what I mean? And I say you can go in there, fine dining and all type of thing. It's just beautiful. You understand? I'm definitely going to come and check it out later on with my wife here and thing. You understand? But it's a thing of beauty. And so far when I hear the food in there is just beautiful. You understand? Look good. The real place. So yeah, mad machine and thing. And this video is all about Icon. We're going to Icon Park. Yo, my general, take it easy and bless up, alright? Great. Yeah, customer service is key right here. So if you can't drive or you can't park, you can forward. He will park your car for you for free. Yeah, once you come, he will park your car for you for free. You don't have to worry about it. Just come with the keeper, put it right there, and you find a nice spot to park it, yeah? Nice. You can come off of the bus right over there, so beautiful. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, so we are walking Icon Park right about now. So let's do this. No joke, no doubt, man. Yeah, man. Foreign pretty, foreign nice. The place there, I have to stop this because when I see that bad machine, I talk to the valet guy and trust me, very cool youth. And I went inside, it was beautiful. The food them look delicious and thing. And big up to the owner who just make me say, yeah, you can come in and look, but the music that play, I don't know, a lot of persons in there eat and beer, things like that. And if you really turn off the music and stuff, you get certain things, and it was a plan, I just make it stay. So we stand up right and up on I Drive. Yeah, this is I Drive. I Drive, and right over there so is Icon Park, and that's where we're going right now. See? So stay tuned and let's go over Icon Park right about now. No joke. So listen good. That is it. Yeah. So look good. A foreign. And this is the first video since we reach a foreign. No joke. I know we're gonna walk and see if we can talk to some people while we do this. But we're going to Icon Park. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. So, and this avenue is I Drive. Alright? So let's go to Icon Park. Wow. Yeah. So we're gonna show you exactly what Icon Park looks like over here on International Drive. Super beautiful, bro. Foreign pretty bad. Oh my word. Sometimes I see why they cuss we at Jamaica, so we keep the place dirty. Massive at the main road, this, you know? This is the main road. Look how clean the main road is. Look there. I see trash and dirty things are foreign, but you're not going to see it often. Look on the main road. That video is all about, you know, showing you all our persons them in a Jamaica too and some different place how them do things in America. No joke, no doubt. Man. Hi, good day, ladies. That's the next thing too. A lot of persons, you might think your English good, but it's not. Most of these people speak Spanish. And that is something that I realize over here. People look like them know English, but they don't. Trust me. No joke, no doubt. But yeah, look good. Main road. Clean like whistle. Mighty. Sound like them must speak French. And my French no good none at all. Yeah. Yeah. Excuse me, speak English? English? Speak English? Oh, no English? Oh. Which country? Ukraine. Ukraine. Oh, I'm from Jamaica. I was saying hi to you because I'm a YouTuber. I do YouTube videos. So I was showing, you're probably not understanding me.
What kind of YouTube videos?
I showcase Jamaica. Yeah, so I travel. Yeah. All right, you not understanding much, but one love, and that is it. Big up every time. Yeah. So massive, they're from Ukraine. They don't speak English. So we gotta understand sometimes. Remember, it's a different country, and this country is ram-packed with persons from all over the world with different languages. So I just wanted to prove to you guys that it's not that they're antisocial or anything, but they might not know what you're saying at all. So that's why I started to build a conversation with her, just to make sure that, to show you that they're not antisocial, but they just don't know what I'm saying. Even if I'm trying to speak properly to them, they just don't know what I'm saying. They just don't know. Okay. All right. So the light is on green, so we should wait. All right. Yeah, we can go. No. Come on. All right, so we have arrived. Hey fam, you mind telling me a little bit about this bike? Like, how does it work?
You just scan it.
I'm from Jamaica. Bro, these things are not in Jamaica any at all, bro. Yeah. Like, I find it fascinating. You speak English and everything, right?
Yeah.
All right, so you're understanding what I'm saying. So, if I wanted a bike like this, what do I do?
Huh?
What do I do if I want to get a bike like this to rent?
Oh, you just scan it with your phone.
Oh, so your phone, you just scan the QR code?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. All right. That's nice. So, what I realized over here, these bikes, they say you just scan the QR code and you pay for like hourly or?
Yeah, or 30 minutes, an hour. I don't know. I never rode one out here, but I'm pretty sure it's like that.
Okay. All right, Grant. All right. So I would see them everywhere just parked up and stuff like that. And this guy say, you scan the QR code and you make payment for like an hour and stuff. But what I realized, anywhere it finish, that's where you leave it, because it's not gonna go nowhere else. Yeah. So, yeah. This is Icon Park. So we just reached Icon Park, and I'm gonna do a full tour of Icon Park right now. I'm gonna do the rides. I am going to go on the slingshot. Look on the slingshot. This is the tallest slingshot in the entire world. And it's in Orlando at Icon Park. And I'm going to do the slingshot. And me I go post a video as well in this. And me I go video the entire thing. So Icon Park also have like the fifth highest ride in the world. This thing right here, they call it the Orlando Eye. This is the 5th tallest ride in the entire world. And I'm going to go on it as well. Me and Lexi and the baby, and I'm going to show you exactly what inside of it look like and what the ride is all about. We are going to go as well into the, me I go show you. We are going to go into the Wax Museum, we are going to the underground aquarium, and we are going to do this, the Orlando Eye, and we are going to show you all of the things here at Icon Park in Orlando, Florida. No joke, no doubt. And the tour begins. Let's do this. I don't know Lexi there as well, so we are going to split up from time to time, but when we are go up on the ride them, we are going to meet up and go up on the ride them as we walk and tour the place. Whoa. Yeah. The slingshot. Mad. So this is one of the entrance here over by the park. So let's go. Hey, can I just video this? Oh my word. All right, oh, it got through. That's it, bro. Nice. Can I ask you a question? I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. So this right here is, oh my, I don't even know where to start, but it's a kitchen. Yeah, you speak English? I speak Patois, something kind of like English.
English, okay.
Yeah, so I love the setup, what's going on here. It's beautiful. This catch my eyes in general. Even if I didn't want any food, I would still come over here and then buy it just to look at it. So what do you do here?
So we mainly sell coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah, this setup is an idea brought from Colombia.
Oh.
So in Colombia it is very common to find this type of sheep on the mountains.
Oh yeah?
They cultivate coffee. And this is where it comes from, the mountains in Colombia.
Oh
which is
yeah.
called el eje cafetero.
Teach me how to say that. Say that again.
Eje cafetero.
Eje cafetero. Haha, mad thing. Yeah, so let me see. This is some what it looks like. Nice. Wow. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
All
so
right.
if you like coffee, we have excellent coffee here.
You have excellent coffee here. All right. So you know, I'm gonna implore on all my viewers, if you're coming, you're out here every day.
Yes, every day.
Every day. You might not be, but somebody else will, right?
Yes.
All right. Great.
I'm always here because I'm the only one working here in this water right now.
Okay, yeah. Can I, Boomfist? That's it. So everybody who's watching this video, this nice, beautiful, social, nice girl here, she's the one who's operating this thing. Please come and support her. Buy her coffee. If you're a lover of coffee and chocolate and all those stuff, come and get your excellent coffee, chocolate coffee. Can I call it that? Yeah, because there are lots of flavor here. Come and check her out and tell her that you see her in Jamaica walk by. All right, that's all I'm asking you to do. Look at this. You cannot miss it. It's right at the front. Come and support her. She's a very, very nice girl. The place is very clean and things. She have her hand wash station over there. Everything well set up. And I'm telling you, you take cash, you take tips as well, and you do card, right?
Yes.
That is it. Wonderful. One more time for the big up yourself, all right? I'm gonna circle and try your coffee, but as soon as I'm finished the video, all right?
Okay, we'll wait for you.
All right, you're gonna be here. All right, take care. Bye. Yeah. Nice. So these are some of the stuff them that you'll find at Icon Park here. So I'm not gonna go in details with every single person based on the look of the person or something. I will just speak with them, but I'll give you an idea as to a lot of the stuff them like, hello, hi, good day. Yeah. I love that smile that you gave me. Are you afraid of camera?
No, I'm not.
You're not?
No, I'm not afraid of camera.
All right, then let's seal it like this.
Okay.
That is it. Very beautiful young lady, I must say.
Thank you.
All right, I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica.
Okay.
So I'm doing a tour on Icon Park.
Okay.
All right, so what I'll do from time to time, if I see somebody look pleasant like you, I will video and give you some promo and ask all my followers when they come here to come and support your business, all right? Yeah, so can you tell me a little bit of what this beautiful truck is about?
Okay, so it calls Freeze Your Brain.
Yeah.
We basically do like the Hawaiian shave style.
Yeah.
That it has vanilla ice cream in the center and then condensed milk on top. That's what we do. But we also have like more options just in case people are like allergic or they don't like it that way. We have like the build your own that you can get 3 flavors and you can put any toppings that you want. The toppings are over here. We have chocolate, marshmallow cream, passion fruit syrup, whipped cream, sour spray. Those are our toppers, and we also have our recipes like great for kids. We have like the unicorn, rainbow, galaxy, the superhero. We have like a lot of options, you know.
That's great.
It's not just the J vibe with the Hawaiian style, so it's like for people can like anything, like
Nice.
So, yeah.
All right, so one more question I'm gonna ask you. How long have you been living? You living in America?
Yes, I live in here.
How long have you been living here?
13 years.
13 years.
Yes.
You're definitely American. So do you love what you do?
Yes, well, I love working in here. I've only been here for 3 or 4 months that I got hired. Yeah. And yes, I do like it. I like to talk to people and then, make the shave is something that I like.
I believe, you know why? Because the moment that I turned and looked at you, you gave me a nice smile. Even if I didn't want to buy anything here, I would definitely come and buy here.
Thank you. I'm glad you feel that way.
Yeah, bless up yourself. I'm definitely come and try this as soon as I finish doing the video. I'm gonna come and test out all of this. All right? Is this business on Instagram?
Yes, it is. It's called. Here it is. It's called Freeze Your Brain, and here's our Instagram, Freeze Your Brain Shave Eyes. You guys can follow us and give us some like, and if they come over here, they can give us a review.
Yeah, nice. All right, you take good care of yourself.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You
Thank
too.
you.
I'll be back there for real. So it is gonna be time for the slingshot. No joke, no doubt, no winner, man. You think a joke thing this? Look good. So yeah, me I gonna take over the seat and Lexi is going to video everything that is going to happen right now for the slingshot. No joke, no doubt. Let's do this. Mad thing. So this right here is the slingshot, the tallest slingshot in the entire world. You understand? Yeah, and this is the Orlando slingshot, and I'm gonna be riding it right now, like no joke, no doubt. Wish me luck. Let's see. Yeah, ready. Slingshot, Orlando, the tallest slingshot in the entire world. One Jamaica, one back. Where's the parcel? Let's see. Speed check. Jamaica walk by, let's do this. What Jamaica walk by, yo? Woo! Damn! Yo, you have to close your eyes. Hey, especially when time it spin. Woo! Ah! Ah! Woo! Ah! Lexi, you're worth the whole of the money. Alright, put your feet up. Worth the whole of the money. Lexi, you can't do it.
Oh yeah, unlock your seatbelt.
Ah. Lexi, that's like the fastest car me ever.
Come, kasi may picnic girl.
Oh my word, bro. I'm mad this. Fastest rocket launcher this. Bro. Yeah. Lexi.
How was it?
60 to 1,000 real quick.
I'll take that
Yeah.
ticket from you.
Touch it, man. No, seal it, man. Seal it. That's
Seal it?
it.
I ain't
Yeah.
never steal nothing.
Oh, man.
I'll take the ticket from you.
See? Wind in my brain. Yo, once you come to Orlando, make sure you check out the slingshot. The tallest slingshot in the entire world. Oh, let me tell you something. Listen me good. When me tell you the hardest part is not going up. It's actually when it gonna make the first turn there and you're gonna see planet Earth from a distance free falling. It's crazy. Oh God, so I have to take a breather for just talk differently and what this device here in the background looks like. Like seriously, OMG. I think it's like 0 to 1,000 in 2 seconds. Like it literally, like it picked my soul out and then my soul play a catch up for catch it back, for catch back my body. Like definitely this is one of the craziest rides I've ever been on, and I'm telling you, it is wild. You understand? This is the tallest slingshot in the entire world here in Orlando, Florida at Icon Park. It is just crazy. So yeah, the video start off good. So massive, if you love the video, please may I beg you if you like the video right now. That's all me I ask you. Please may I beg you drop some comment in the comment section and make the video you just go viral and we just walk out. A Jamaica walk by in a foreign, a Jamaica walk by there Florida, and it's just amazing, it's just crazy. So let's just do it and let's just have some fun while the tour goes on, and I'm gonna show you the exact thing exactly how Icon Park look like in 2024 in Florida. Mad thing. Let's continue the video. Yo, no joke, no doubt, man. Jeez. Yes, so somebody just swing up and that's it up there, coming back down slowly. But yeah, the slingshot is right at the front here. So let's go, let's go. Wow, that was crazy. Superman, no joke. Oh, my soul still like fit up. My soul feel like fix back good inside of my body yet. To how I feel. So a little bit of information on Icon Park. Yeah, it's one of them free places that you can walk out and just chill with your entire family. And guess what? Parking is free. So it has free parking where you can park and you can pay for the rides as you go along, or you can buy the package on their website that contains a lot of ride at discounted rates and stuff like that. So welcome to Icon Park. You can actually check out Icon Park on their website. That's what we did. We buy the tickets online so we can get to utilize the best rates possible. Yeah. So right at the front here you will have a lot of food trucks and stuff. I will just showcase a few of them as I go and just take my time going through this video. It's summertime, so everybody is looking pretty much summer here. So shorts and no clothes and everything in Florida. You understand? Yeah. Spreading love we have over here. Excuse me, can I like video some of the stuff? All right, nice. Yeah. So this place catch my eyes too. I see chains, I see stones. Are you afraid of the camera? Please say no. You're not afraid of camera. Okay, and you speak English, right? No English? A little. All right. So I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. Yeah, so I'm actually doing I'm showcasing the entire Icon Park. So your business right here, I'm just gonna video a few things and probably can just tell me a little bit of what is going on, if you can. So yeah, we have some customers right now. Nice. So as you can see, she has bracelets. These are stones. What kind of stones are these?
The name is this.
Oh, okay, yeah. So tiger eye. So all these stones are labeled too as well. Nice. Beautiful. As you can see around my neck. See? So I'm a lover of these things. And I have this one for years now. I don't do anything without it. Nice. Icon Park, guys. This is Spreading Love. This is her truck right here. And the craft is by Maria. Or Marita. Yeah. See, she's getting a sale. That is nice. Let's go. Take care. Oh my word, this place is beautiful. Look at this. You have over here nice too as well.
Goodness gracious, what the hell? Any spirals, silver spirals. I don't care what color walls. We need silver spirals.
It looks like the arse is moving as it moves with the winds. These are nice. Beautiful. I won't speak with everybody, but I'm gonna make sure that everyone gets a good description of what the place looks like, and some of the stuff that's here. So if you're just watching the video, this is Icon Park in Orlando, Florida, and I'm giving you an extensive tour of what the place looks like. So if you're just joining, please, I'm asking you to like the video. You can comment at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, as many as you like. There's no rule on how much time you can comment. I'm so sorry that you have to like the video one time. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of structure it. There's a map as well of the park. Yeah, but I'm gonna do it in such a way that I don't miss anything. All right. All right, so there is so much things to do here in Icon Park. Watch it, the train. Yeah. So this big beautiful place here is actually the underwater aquarium and stuff, and we are going to go inside there and give you a tour of inside the aquarium so you can come and get your tickets and you see what it looks like, and you can come with your family and thing. So you have a few carts right here still, you know, loads of businesses here. Yeah. All right, so I don't want to skip out anywhere, so I'm gonna head back to the front so you can actually see where I stopped. So look, this is where, as you can see, on the sky. We're gonna walk and come back from that direction there. I would so love to speak with a lot of persons, but guess what? They don't speak English. Not many of them speak English, but soon as I find the English speaking persons, I will try and talk to them, because it's my first time in Orlando, Florida, and it's always good to get more persons to know about my YouTube channel. And I'm always promoting my YouTube channel to every single person, because every single person travel to Jamaica, and well, not say every single person travel, but every person, you know, of all different kind of race travel to Jamaica. Wow. What's up? Man, you always giving me a cent, bro. So today I'm gonna give you some crazy promo, man. So this guy, every single time I'm over the park, he actually always working, giving me a cent. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, on this here is a cent. So you could smell what's on here and to see if you would like to get the cologne. And trust me, the scents are so tempting that every single time you pass, you would wanna buy one of these scents. You know what I mean? Because, you know, I'm smelling it again. It's crazy.
Video or like live?
It's a video.
Video?
Yeah. So
YouTube channel?
yeah, it's Jamaica Walk By. So tell me a little bit about what you have here, bro.
So look, here we have a lot of colognes, you know, from everywhere. We have cologne from Italy, we have cologne from England, we have the name brands, like the biggest one, like from French, you know, France.
Yeah.
But the ones that I've been showing you guys is this one right here.
Yeah,
It's this right here, the Ocean R. It's like the best seller. It's hard to find someone that resists this smell, because it's just like so perfect, you know, like everybody likes it.
Wow.
And then let me spray on their skin and you show them something.
So I get a free sample.
Yeah, let me spray on their skin. They can see it's oil based because it be shiny, you know.
Yeah. So when I go back home, my girl will like look at me and be like, let's do something crazy.
Oh yeah.
Ah, yeah, right. I see him laughing over there. Yeah, that's it. So
they like it.
they like it.
My friend right there, he said every time he got that on, he gets compliments.
That's it. All right. So massive. Listen. So over here in Icon Park, I think it's the only person I see with scent over here. You're the only person I see doing this over here?
Nah, so like there's our store right here, there's one in front of the Outback, and then there's one in front of the Sugar Factory.
Okay. All right, great. So Massive, all I'm asking you to do, if you come here, please, I'm asking you to check this guy store out. Is a perfume shop over here in Icon Park in Orlando, Florida. You understand? Beautiful setup and thing, and the prices are great. Like, trust me, the prices are extremely great for these type of cologne, bro. Yeah, you gotta stop here. I see the Gucci, I see all the top brands of cologne, and they got them. The Versace, all the thing, the yellow diamond, it's crazy. So if you want to make that perfect gift for your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whosoever, just come right here. So I trust me, they will make sure you get a cent to leave with. Remember that. Hear that. The channel is Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica One By?
Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah. Yeah. So check the channel out. I'm gonna be posting this video soon, like really soon.
Watch it.
That's it.
Jamaica walk by.
That is it, man. Big up every time.
This one?
That is it.
All
That's
right.
me. See?
Thank you.
That's it. Bless up, man.
Appreciate
No problem, bro. Yeah. That's it. So I've been over the park for a few. I've been here a while, and trust me, I tried to experience the place before I did this video, and it's just great. There's so many shops here, from cell phones and thing. Yeah, no joke. Bless up, bro. Yeah, man. You have loads of stuff, and the place is really clean. It's beautiful, and you cannot miss it with that big eye up there. Oh my word, this is such an experience. I'm selling this park like literally right now. I love it, and we're nearby, so since we're nearby, we always have to bring the family over here, and food, everything. So you can enter the park for free and get food. You can go and buy your food. You can do all kinds of stuff. It's just super nice. Also, you can take picture with these nice beautiful birds here as well. We have like, it's like 4 birds right here, and you can take a picture with them. This part is massive. Look at this. Ah, yeah. That's nice. Nice. All right, so nice. So look at the prices. You can come on down here at Icon Park, take the picture with the birds. Look, these are some famous parrots here, and they're gonna be even way more famous now. Yeah, so one printed picture with the bird is for $20, and photo taking with your own cameras are $10 per person. Nice. Yeah, that's it. Look good. True colors. Make sure you come here and take a picture with the parrots. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, so I'm trying to drive some traffic to the park. All right. Yes, I'm actually telling everybody that they should come and try this. You know, take picture with the birds and stuff. It's just crazy. These birds are beautiful. You trained them? Your boss did. Cool guy. Bless up, take care. Nice. So you should definitely come here and try to do something different. Take the picture with the birds. It's only $20, and they will print the picture for you, and that's it. And it's something that you will always remember. No joke, no doubt. Icon Park. So also you have fine dining restaurants here too as well. Uncle Julo's. Center camera. Uncle Julo's. Yeah. And center camera as well. You will have iDrive continuous as we go through the park. So we're going to ride this too as well. So let's get ready to do that, bro. Yeah. So we're going to ride this. So you will get your tickets around there. You will purchase your ticket right around there, and somebody will assist you on going on the Ferris wheel. So we're gonna go on there with Lexi and Kylie to have some fun. Let's check it out, man. Yeah. So that's for the Ferris wheel, and we're gonna continue the tour, yeah, of Icon Park. Yard House. I wonder if it's a Jamaican owned a building. Yeah. Name Yard House. Something like how a Jamaican would name it. Yard House. My friend, the yellow and the green are Jamaican color that you know. You're not Jamaican. No. Yeah. So if I was to come to America and live or something, this would probably be where I'm working. So you do live singing and stuff inside here. So let me go and show you a little bit of what in there looks like. All right, before I do that, let me see if I can over here a little bit. I'm hoping you're not afraid of camera. I'm hoping that you're not afraid of camera. No, a beautiful girl like you is not supposed to be afraid of the camera. Come on. I want you to tell me a little bit of what's going on here, man. No? All right, then bless up, all right? That's it. But you're good, though. I'm a YouTuber. Can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Sorry?
Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? It's Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, I wanted to give you some free promotion so persons could come to Icon Park, would come here and support the business. Yeah, I'm actually putting over here since I don't want to be on camera. All right, take care, all right? Cool. Bless up, bless up. All right, nice. So let me show you a little bit of what this place looks like. It's so nice, see? So, based on my acknowledgement, this is the hot spot right here in Icon Park because they have a live band inside there and it's just crazy. Let me just go in there and show you what it looks like. Jamaica walk by.
Do you have Instagram?
Yeah, no, Instagram too. So Jamaica walk by and show the world what Jamaica looks like. You know?
Jamaica?
Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Walk by. Yeah, W-A-L-K. Walk by. B-Y.
Hey man, if you got a request, come over and write it down. We can play it for you, okay? But we can't talk in the middle of songs. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Where we go?
No, we. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
So it's J-A-M-A.
Don't tell them.
Yeah. That's me right here. Yeah. That's me.
Alright.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Welcome.
You're so cool. If you have a business or so I can give you a shout out. What's your Instagram? Can I give you a shout out? Do you have a business or something?
I send you a message.
Alright, yeah. And thank you so much.
Welcome.
Send me a message and I'll give you a shout out, alright?
Alright, thanks guys.
Very cool guy, you know? But that was a cool vibe, nice band. So what they do live music and stuff in there. And food, everything. And there's a bar as well, like it's crazy. Icon Park. Oh, I can't believe I'm passing this place right here. All right, so this place now, Buffalo Wild Wings. So the first place we got to eat was this place and the food was excellent. Super great. So big respect to Buffalo Wild Wings. The food is great. The customer service too is great. Love it. You can actually sit and dine outside as well. Yeah, no joke. No joke, man. It was great. I can park as we go through. There's so much things to do here with the family. You cannot get enough. Here's another shop that does the scents right here. Yeah. So beautiful. So this right here, I told myself that I wasn't gonna go on this. But after like thinking about it so much time, I feel like I want to try it, yo. I feel like I wanna try it. Man. So there's like a few persons in there right now. And it is spinning. Let's go find out if I can do it and see what's the cost to go in it. Whew. Icon Park. We're not done yet because we haven't gone to the underwater aquarium yet, and we haven't been to the Orlando Eye, and we haven't been to the museum where it's the wax museum, but this is the other side of Icon Park. Yeah. So this building center camera is actually parking. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. All right, let's see if I can get to the ride. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where do we get to pay for this. I see discounted tickets there. Place is beautiful. Loads of Spanish speaking persons like from Colombia or stuff. Excuse me, sir. Can I get a question? How do I ride this? Where do I pay? Oh, inside there. They take cash? All right. How much is it?
15.
15. I'm a YouTuber. What if I want to ride it and video?
Do you have like
Oh, like
to hold it?
to hold it. Yeah, I have something that I can hold it firm in my
The
hand.
ones that we have, it has like a strap
Yeah.
where you can hold it so that way the camera don't fall.
Don't fall.
Because if you don't have anything for it, then you can't. But we have our GoPros.
Oh, you have your GoPros on there?
Yeah.
Oh, so if I wanted to have the footage, can I get the footage?
Yeah, we give you a receipt where you can scan the barcode,
Yeah.
and it'll give you the little code where you can
Something
put it
like
in
the
your phone.
slingshot?
Something like the slingshot, yeah.
Oh yeah.
We sell our own videos.
How much is your video?
$11.
It's
You
$11.
can buy the package, it's $25, and you get the ticket and the video for $25 even.
Oh, so $25 and I get the video and do the ride.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. So all my viewers, Icon Park. You know, everywhere I go, I try to give persons free promotion. All right. This is just me. All right. So I've been warming my heart to do it. It looks scary. And you know me from Jamaica, we not have them something at Jamaica. So when we see them things that go way up in the sky, we don't even buildings at all, brother. We don't even building this tall. But says to be. It's not that bad, so they say. Oh my word.
Disney World and Universal from up here.
Oh my word. And you're selling it. You're doing a great job. Touch me. That is it. So I'm going to see if I can pay for the package, and I'm going to do it and try to get the tape so you guys can see what it looks like. And yeah. What's the name of this ride again?
StarFlyer.
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 So this is the StarFlyer at Icon Park in Orlando, Florida. That is just crazy. And we're gonna do it. We're gonna have some fun. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna pay for my ticket. All right. So I'm gonna get my ticket right now. It's a StarFlyer. Let's see if we can get this experience going and to have some fun right here. Definitely wanted to do this. Let's go. So I'm just in the line trying to get the tickets here. You know, if you have your stuff, there's a locker as well. You can put your stuff in and so on. So let's go check out the StarFlyer here at Icon Park. Yeah, the day has been crazy so far. Let's go, man. Also, there's a bar on the other side where you can get drinks. You can also get few beverages to go, and it's just great. So what I'm gonna pay for to get the video, so I can let you guys see what up there looks like while I'm doing it and everything like that. Yeah, let's go. There is some of the persons actually doing the ride up there. Yeah. I'm trying to do it in the day, that way we can get to see exactly where it looks, what it's look like in the day. Right, so I was right. These lockers are, if you have stuff that you want to put away, you can put them in the locker safely. If you're not ready to leave, you can rent a locker. Yeah, bless up, fam. Respect. I'm trying to pay for the package with the video.
Yes, it's a 2-rider with the video. Is that correct, or just 1 rider?
Just 1 ride, just to go up to experience it and get the video. How much is that?
So it'd be $25 cash.
No, so if I do the ride with the video.
With the video, it is $25.
Yeah, I want the video.
Okay.
So I want the 1 ride and the video.
1 ride and the video.
Yeah.
$15 is going to be your change.
Thank you.
This is going to be the unlock code for your video. And then give me 1 second. I just have to get more paper for this.
So when you pay, you get a QR code that you will scan and download the video, and you will have it to use wherever you want to use it, you know? Yeah.
Wristband would allow you to go again for $9 instead of the full $15. Okay.
All right. Cool. No problem. Thanks, man. All right. So that's it. Let's go. See? We're gonna do it. Let's go, man. I'm afraid of height already, you know. I'm afraid of speed. So let's see what's exactly gonna happen with this ride. Look at it, man. That's where we're going, right to the top. And look, the Orlando StarFlyer. That is it. Damn. Let's go! Ah, man! Yeah, I got all diamond! Shit! This is crazy, bro! Yeah! I'm spinning and shit! Damn! Shoot! I screamed the entire ride. I screamed the entire ride. Man, I screamed it. Oh, yeah. Oh, my word. Ah. Yeah, so I just come off of the ride and I tell her, say, it snatched my soul. I might tell you, it's just crazy right now. I'm still nervous, and I'm going to see the video when we just put right here now, right here so, and think, now watch it and tell me what I think. But yeah, what's crazy, it's the Orlando StarFlyer, and voila, you know, say, anyone me see beautiful ladies, then I got to, hello, excuse me, you guys want for the camera?
No.
Nah? Ah, yeah. Listen, me always telling you, say, beautiful ladies don't shine. Beautiful ladies don't shine. Look good now, man.
No,
oh, my word. Yeah. Foreign me there. Yeah. No joke. No, look on beauty. Yo, the Jamaican them say, girl, let me dash her foreign. Look good now, man. No, oh, my word. Yeah, I'm glad you're not for the camera. Beautiful ladies don't shine. Me always say, on fleek. Yeah. Hold on there. Massive, let me turn the camera around. Look, man. Let me turn on the camera. Hold on. Sit there, do it again. Me never catch it. Oh, my word. Beautiful ladies, man. So I'm telling you, I'm Fabian from Jamaica. Big up every time.
Okay.
Big up every time. What's your name first?
Lisa.
Lisa, you're Lisa. Does she look like a Lisa? Oh my, like a Mona Lisa to me. That is it. What about you? What's your name?
Princess.
Princess? Oh yeah.
You look like a princess,
Big up.
right?
Princess this man. Yeah man. Princess. Barbie that. Dolly.
Dolly.
Dolly. Yeah, we call them Dolly. So
Yeah.
in Jamaica, I want to see a beautiful girl. Whereas if she don't shy
Yeah.
and she willing to speak, Dolly that.
Oh, we Dolly.
Yeah. Oh, not Dolly's.
That's my new name.
Yeah. So you know, them are gonna cuss me, them are gonna beat me if I don't ask you guys for your Instagram. What's your Instagram?
Lisa So Classy.
Lisa So Classy.
Yes.
Classy. And what about you?
The Princess Palace.
The Princess how many sisters you have?
Huh?
How many sisters?
One.
One.
Cousins.
Oh, and you guys cousin. So it's like one family of beauty.
Yes.
Oh my
That's
word.
right.
We're in Orlando right now, but where got you guys from?
Charlotte.
Charlotte? Is Charlotte nearby here?
Carolina.
Where?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. North Carolina.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know none of those places, but yeah. Have you ever been to Jamaica?
No.
Sad
We're
man.
going soon though.
Listen me. I want one of them. Yo. No, go and go follow them Instagram and show them why them supposed to reach a Jamaica. Show them why Jamaica is so nice. Oh, I don't want to ask your age because me have to make sure
How
say
old I look?
yeah. Me just want to know say you're over 16.
Yes.
That's great. You too?
How old I look?
Me just hope say you're over 16. Me can't tell.
Yeah, I'm 22.
You're
32.
you what?
22.
You're 22 and you how much?
32.
Lie. No bother with that man. No bother with that. Don't no man. No bother with that man.
32.
Because one thing with foreign, I'm skeptical on putting people on. Because sometimes people like, yo, Fabian, you have to be careful, you know, cause that girl might be 12-year-old or 10, you know.
Right.
Because you look so
Right.
young, like you know what I mean. Some of them look at you now, like what?
Yeah. 32. Yeah.
I would, alright. Don't get offended, but I would think you are a little girl. Because to be honest with you, I've seen them look like you, but you young.
Yeah.
Right.
And what me realize with foreign when it comes down to summer, them everybody wear impy skimpy.
Right.
So
Everybody empty.
yeah, impy skimpy.
Right.
So what we call impy skimpy is like what is passing us right now.
Let's see.
Right.
Got it.
Yeah. So if you're not careful, you don't want to approach a lady and start talking because of the way she dressed.
Right.
And then you'll be like, oh, so how old are you? And she said, I'm 11. And you'll be like, oh.
Yeah, you gotta run.
Yeah, you gotta run. Because you cannot tell by the way they dress.
Right.
By the way they dress, you will think they're a big woman.
A little too grown.
Yeah.
There we
So
go.
that's a lot.
There we go. That's
Yeah.
a little too grown.
Yeah. So I've been walking and be like, these girls are kids, but they don't look like kids.
Right, right.
You understand? But yeah, but one more time for the camera now, man. Look good now, man. Turn, man. Tracy. Oh my word. Beauty dash way. You know her?
Yes.
Come here, man.
Oh God.
Come here, man. Me see her just blammer. Yeah. Your cousin too?
That's my sister-in-law. That's my sister.
Oh yeah. Look good now, man. Oh yes. Yeah, one job. Yeah, I'm a singer too. I do it all, man. Yeah. So you know, man. So this me, Jamaica nice. Loads of beautiful ladies, you know, come right out. That's the slang in Jamaica. Once you're beautiful and everything look nice, you come right out.
We coming to Jamaica.
Yeah, we coming.
You no need for the Jamaica. When you come into Jamaica, hook me up, link me, so I can show you guys around in Jamaica. Yeah.
It's messed up right now, right?
No, Jamaica is great.
Good.
Jamaica, we had a hurricane and I'm right here. I get back the electricity in a few days. I'm going back in 8 days.
Oh, you cool? Oh.
Yeah, I'm just here for like 10 days.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to do as much as I can. I want to go downtown Orlando. Like,
I lived here last year.
you.
I just went back to Charlotte.
Oh man, I want a nice tour guide to show me downtown, like where are the spots downtown that I should go.
Nice, like clubs and lounges and bars.
Yeah.
It's real nice.
Yeah. Oh, go on your Instagram and show me on the phone so I can make sure you get the Instagram again. Because you guys go and follow them. Very nice girls. Trust me. Beautiful, beautiful. Cousin over here come out in our shots. Ambiance thing. Yeah. So what's your Instagram? Go on your page. So that's her Instagram. Make sure you guys go and follow her. What's sexy? What's look good? Let me see her. Yeah. Oh, look good, look good, man. Whoa, Princess Ray. Hot body, look good. Oh, you mean? That is it for Jamaica Walk By. That's how we do it every time. Anybody want to big up somebody?
Huh?
Big up somebody. Like when I say big up somebody, give a shout out to somebody.
Oh,
Who we shouting
give
out?
a shout out to my motherfucking daddy.
Yeah.
My daddy, I love you.
Yeah.
You my everything. I miss you. And yeah, see you soon. Period.
That is it. Yeah, what about you?
Me, I gotta shout out my daughter, Maya. You know, Maya, 15, but you know,
Yeah.
my girl, my best friend.
What did you say?
My daughter is 15.
Your daughter is 15?
Yeah.
Not tell nobody else.
What?
Because you don't look like... You don't look like... I want to look... Massive, I'm not talk to her, you know. You look like 15. Not bother with that, man. Not bother with that, man.
No.
Come on, man.
I don't look 15.
Jeez and peace, no, man. Look, no, man. Massive,
Hey,
listen, if I'm lying, I'm dying.
Not 15.
No, look good.
This,
Boy,
this is casual. You gotta see me dressed up. That gives more grown and sexy.
Massive, go and follow her Instagram. You see what I go. Shape nice, red, hot body. That is it. Big up on yourself, man. We are going to tour around the whole of Icon Park. It's just crazy. Oh my word, that ride was amazing. So the tour isn't over yet. We are still in Icon Park. Oh my God, that ride was crazy. Big up to Lisa and Princess. Really great persons, and we are going around to one of the next leg. Oh my word. So much beautiful people in a foreign, you know what I mean? So you can actually just walk up to people and talk, you know what I mean? Once the people them pleasant, it's gonna be a vibe, it's gonna be great. Nice little conversation with those three beautiful ladies in Icon Park. One love. So you guys go follow their Instagram and give them a message saying that we saw you in Jamaica Walk By. Bless up for talking to Jamaica Walk By, is it? So we are gonna go inside now, where we're gonna see the underground aquarium. We're gonna view the wax museum, and we're gonna check out the Orlando Eye. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Let's go. So may I open and love the video. If you don't love the video so far, please may I ask if you press the like button. Please drop a few comments. Massive, this video is just crazy. It's beautiful, it's nice. Yeah, let's go. Wow. All right, so we're going this direction now. Orlando Eye. Let's go. So this is those cartoon pictures. Nice. I'm gonna get this done too. Nice. Beautiful. Super beautiful. Icon Park. Oh my word. Wow. Nice place for the kids to come and play and everything. Wow. Wow. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh yeah, bless them, bless them. Love it, love it. Oh my word. If you live in Orlando or you visit this place and you did not come and see Icon Park, you definitely should. So the entire park is free to walk and buy your food and stuff like that, but you can just pay to go on some of the rides, or you can buy the package and do the rides. Yeah, tons of food, tons of everything. Trains, everything. Oh my God. All right, so now it's time for the indoors events. Yeah, Icon Park. Icon Park photo booth as well over there. Oh my word. Tariq Connect. Yeah. Super beautiful. All right, so it's time for the indoors event. All right. So we paid for the tickets online. So this is actually the aquarium that we're going to go in. Good day. Oh yeah, it's our vlogging camera to record our vacation.
That is cute.
Yeah, very cute and tiny.
Yeah, I like
Nice.
that.
Thank you.
It was brutal. We didn't have any coral water for like almost a week. It was brutal.
Yeah. I'm used to it here before. I'm used to it there too.
Yeah, the hurricane did us dirty.
I get a kick out of people here. I don't know about houses down there, but we have running water, so I save water jugs.
Yeah, we do.
I fill water out of my spigot. I don't go to the store and buy water.
Okay.
I save jugs and I just fill them up. And I use them.
I made a big error. When the water went, we had a big tank full with water and somehow all it went back in the pipe. Mistake.
My bathtub doesn't hold water. When you fill it up, it slowly drains out. So I keep 6 jugs of water in the bathroom, and then I keep 10 out. So when they say a hurricane's coming,
You don't have to worry because you're already prepared.
I'm already prepared.
That
Because
is
my
it,
husband
well.
buys gallon jugs of tea,
Yeah.
so we just save the tea jugs, and we fill them up
Many
with
people
water.
we don't think about that until like something goes bad that we're trying to crazy.
Yeah. So this is for a photo. You did the wax museum yet? So this is for a photo here. This is for a photo when you go to the wax museum.
Okay.
And you can look your photos up online and screenshot them, or you can buy the printed one in the gift shop, okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
You have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. Well,
Big smile. Look right here. 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Good. All right. We're gonna look surprised. 3, 2, 1. All right. Have a good time.
I know you must love your job.
Sometimes.
yeah. So this is the virtual reality undersea explorer theater. Nice. This is beautiful.
What is that, Perfume?
Fish.
What is that? You see the fish?
See the fish? See the fish? You see the fish? Fish.
Yeah.
Fish. Fish. That's a fish.
Yeah. Fish.
Fish. Beautiful. Fishes. Nice. Alright, so there's a next section here. Let's go. Wow. So as I feel as if you're under the water. Oh, cool. Should I let her go?
Wait, I was never bring
So Lexi says she'll go underneath that to go make it seem like she in the water. Wow. Wipe off the camera. Fingerprint is on there. Fish. Fish.
So pretty.
Fish. You're saying hi to the fish? Lexi gone underneath. Ah! Look at Bobby! Look at Bobby! Mommy said you must come. Go to mommy. Go to mommy.
Come, baby, come.
Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Your storage is full. Hold on, don't move. Wow. Wow. Put her up. Nice. Mommy, crawl out. It's full. Find some the dilly.
Kylie, come back. Come back, baby. Come back.
Oh my word. Come, Kylie, come. Come back to daddy. Come. Yeah. Let's go. Are you? How many years is that, Joe? It's a minute, say. Come here, you got another. Look at this. Lexi, put your head inside here and see what they see. Nice?
Yeah.
big one.
Nina, so.
That's Nemo then.
Hier steht Dive Station 1. Guck.
See it, Kylie? Wow, you're under the water. You're under the water. Wow. Touch the water. Yeah. You're under the water. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Good day. Super. That's us. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. See, that's everywhere. Nice. Wow, this is beautiful. Jellyfish. One picture? Ready, I got one more. Wait till the next light, the light come on, the next one, the bright one. Alright, ready? As it get bright, you have a bit. Let me take a few still. Fish? Inside here is massive. Fish? Fish? Say cheese. Cheese.
Put right here so anything. Right here.
Say cheese. Yeah, darn. Alright, what we're outside. Say cheese. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Seems like you're underneath the water. Wow, that's a school of fish. See that guy? Oh yeah. Fish. Yeah, say cheese. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. No, look at mommy. No. Look at mommy. Say cheese.
Fish? Hi, fish.
Hi, fish. Yeah, touch the fish. It's a big fish. You're touching the fish? Yay!
Hi, fish.
Why did I just realize that was a hen?
So then put something on the bottom of
Das sind so Haie, das ist ziemlich schön.
You want to try it?
form and leaf. And both sides it can function. Alright. We can do
Yeah. This way, buzz your brain. Wow, it's crazy. Babe. Hi, fish. Oh, hi, fish. The fish made a poo-poo. Touch the fish. Hi, fish. Take your time. Kylia, come, mama, come. Characters are in. Wow. get to take a picture with her here?
Yeah, I try.
Yeah. Up. Sit to her, let me take a picture. Oh God.
Come on, hug mommy. Mommy. Don't let me lose that here.
Take picture.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Look at daddy.
Say cheese. Cheese. Yes, Kylie, having the time of your life. So this is a nice place for the kids. Take your family. It's beautiful. Alexi, oh, you can go under this one too.
I'm tired. I mean, them they're small. What is this?
Oh, it light up.
Touch it, touch it.
Touch it, mama. Press. Yeah, you did it. It's working. This space is massive.
So we all have electricity flowing through us. That's what that's showing. So when you hold both ends, basically the current allows electricity.
You see that?
So sharks are able to detect electricity with a special organ that they have, and that's just showing you that we have electricity flowing through us. So they're still avoiding being detected. Luckily, sharks don't typically want to eat us. So it's just showing you that that's how they're able to detect fish and stuff like that.
Okay.
So they can literally read electrical signals, and they can determine if a fish is dying or if it's sick or stuff like that.
Oh.
So they're pretty smart.
Yeah.
Makes it easier for our prey.
Exactly. Thank you so much. You love that?
No, she don't want to give it back. Give it back.
No. You're gonna get to go touch some shark eggs soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye. Super nice.
Oh, this was where we started.
Oh yeah? I don't. Glass.
See, ain't nobody holding your feet.
liking everything so far?
Love it.
Love it. Glad you guys are enjoying it. You guys want to learn a little bit more sharks with me here?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go, ma'am. So over here is shark eggs. With some sharks, they lay eggs. Others will give live birth. And some can do the combination of the two, where they have eggs inside of them. Once they hatch, they'll give birth to them. We have all 3 of these species here, but we're not part of any sharks breeding program. Just like us humans, eggs still need to come out of our bodies some way, shape, or form, so they'll still lay their eggs. So right here is our white-spotted bamboo sharks. Our females have been moved to another facility, but our males are hanging out in here. When it comes to our coral cat sharks, they're going to be right behind you, and it's our bachelorette pad, and they actually do have a fresh egg in there at this given time. And over here is our epileptic shark eggs. We'll set them down the way, and the problem with them is that this one's dried up. They're usually twice the size, as well as they're a bright golden color. If you want to feel, it's just one finger gentle on the tips of them. You might want to guide their hands if you want them to touch.
Wanna touch it? How does it feel? Smooth.
Yep. As well as with shark eggs too, they have the nickname of mermaid's purses.
Mermaid's purses?
Yes, ma'am. As well as this is a live shark egg. So this is a technique called candling to get this picture. What it basically means is that this is a baby shark, this is the egg yolk. There's a light underneath it that is shining up through it, and that's when it comes to any eggs and you shine the light like that to see what's in it. It's called candling. Cool. Yep. As well as you have a chance to find these too. Whenever you guys figure out where, so depending on where you guys are from, you can go ahead and see what shark species are at, as well as finding out what their breeding sign is. If there's a bad storm coming on in, you have a chance of finding some shark eggs to wash up on shore. And it's a rare occasion you'll see something like this. You're more likely to find something along these lines.
Maybe we've seen them before, but we didn't know what they were.
Yeah, they're mostly found in different seasons.
Okay. Okay, thank you for your time.
Nice, thank you.
Isabel. Hold on.
Baby, jump.
Glory be to Almighty. I want to pray with you tonight. Glory be.
We are under the water.
Lord, watch over us tonight. Protect my family. In a time like this, we ask for mercy. Watch me in my going out and in my coming in. Could not please tell me why they don't want me to win. I see the enemies are after me. Don't let them conquer me. Show me what my eyes can see. Oh, Father, cover me. Jaja, getting crazier. Wow. Oh my word. Fish. Kylia, come here.
Look at the teeth.
Wow.
So big.
Is this your tooth?
Shark.
Is this yours? Did you lose this?
So big.
Maybe it's not biting. Right, so sharks have different types of teeth depending on what they're going to be. So this is a tooth from a great white shark, and then these are 6 different species of shark that we find down here in Florida, right? But you see, they all look kind of different.
Yeah.
It's because no 2 sharks are going to be hunting the exact same thing.
Oh, really?
So they might have like, so they might all eat the same thing in some capacity, but they're all going to eat something a little bit different, but they're not all going to eat the exact same quantity. So you'll have like little tiny ones like this. I kind of say they look like fish hooks. They're going to look for stuff that's more fish-like. Then you get these, and they're kind of low more. They're not super thin, but they're not super bulky like these. And they're going to be hunting a little bit of everything. So regardless, for our snaggletooth, our dusky sharks, even our tiger sharks, regardless if it's a fish or a stingray, a crab, even in the case of a tiger shark, full suits of armor have been found in their guts. Whoa. They're going to use those teeth in order to shred their prey to pieces, make sure they can eat.
Whoa. This is crazy.
Now, I'm also going to point out, we've got the megalodon and the great white shark. So megalodons, they are extinct. Don't let nobody tell you different. They are not here no more. They were millions of years ago. There's 2 main theories about why they went extinct. One, their climate got colder. So they were a much warmer shark, and as it got colder, you're going to touch it, even touch along the edge to see how serrated sharp that is. You know, as that climate got colder, they weren't able to survive that. Also, there's a little bit of overlap with the great white shark. These are 2 separate species of shark. The megalodon's not the bigger version of the great white. Great whites, as they were coming along, they're smaller, they're more agile, they're faster. They were able to out-hunt the megalodon. That helped send them into extinction. Okay. Cool, super cool. And then that is your...
There's so many different species of fish inside here. There, there's a gator. This place is mad big.
That's better than
nice this is. Where, hey, look there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Don't take a picture, guys. Don't take a picture, guys.
Alright, man. It's not a picture, it's a video.
Hey Marina, can we get a picture?
How much is it? How much did she say to get the picture? So now after all that tour, you're gonna come up to the, I guess, the fishing gallery. So
Jose.
so how much for the tree picture?
50. Must be 50.
Oh wow.
We have access to the QR code that's on the card.
Yeah.
We have access to the digital copy.
Yeah,
So
so
we can do it in yourself.
You're so cute. For this, we get one of my super fancy shark expert bracelets.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. And then this, you know what it is? Turtle or seahorse?
You pick. Pick one. Pick one.
Yeah.
Seahorse it is. Thank you.
Thank you. That tour was wild.
Let me talk to them.
Yeah. What do you think?
So that was the Life Aquarium. I've been looking it up online for the longest while for our trip and it didn't disappoint. It was really good, very informative, very fun if you have kids. So you just have to watch them. But it's a really good attraction for adults and kids. Alexia approved.
That is it. So yeah, massive, we're moving on. Yeah, so that was the underwater park. That's called the Sea Life Aquarium. That was super nice. And thing. Loads of food place to get food and thing. So yeah, really nice place. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to the Wax Museum. Yeah. What is over here? So this is actually a theater. Yeah. So Max Action Theater. Yeah. It's like a virtual theater. Yeah. So alright, so I'm waiting on Lexi. So before we go to the Wax Museum, it's called the What's it? I can't pronounce that, but it's the Wax Museum. All right? Yeah. That's not a real girl, that's a wax. So before we go inside there, I'm gonna wait on Lexi, but I'm gonna go and check out the, yeah, in the game. Let me show you what's over here. Loads of games and stuff. So much things for the kids. Loads of Spanish over here too. I know some of my camera like beautiful ladies, so I can video them. Yeah, that is it. Anyhow, she never speak Spanish. If she speak English, without talk to her and give her an interview, you know what I mean, and show off her beauty. Loads of games. So much things to try. Wow. Icon Park is a vibe, trust me, no joke, no doubt. You guys should definitely try Icon Park. Wow, everything. What's this game about?
You gotta grab the rings to get a certain amount of tickets.
Oh, you gotta grab the rings. Oh, you're gonna play it. You're gonna. Oh, you're gonna. Oh.
I got a 600 ticket.
Oh yeah. Let me see what you do. Oh, so you're gonna. Oh.
I gotta put more money on this thing.
Sure.
I gotta go put some more money
on it. Man. Tons of games. More games there. I'm definitely gonna spend a lot of time in here. Icon Park. Wow. Sorry. There's an exit. So much games here. Wow, look at this place, man. OMG. Never seen so much games, man. Wow. This is the Willy Cash. Should I give me that on camera, man? Man, give me that one. Give me that. Woo! Man, dead. Bless up. I love the look. Love the look. Yeah. They dress the part, man. They dress the part. Like foreign people just cool, me not lie. Them have a vibe and an energy. And them not afraid of camera. Right, wow. Yeah. The Jamaican massive boy, foreign sweet boy. One Jamaica walk by in them town like I'm a yard boy.
Progressive is live.
Icon Park. Bad driver. She a drive it up. Wow, that was a nice run. All right, let's go into the Wax Museum. This is not real. It looks super real. Like this looks like it's a real person. Look good. If you don't know that this is a wax right here, you would not know that this person is not real. All right, let's go in the Wax Museum. Bless up, respect. I'm with her, yeah? Kylie. Really?
Thank you.
Guests come. Yes.
Wait.
Oh, scan it now. Oh, it was in a different language. 8, 7, 6. Crazy, crazy. You accept it? You read it?
Oh, yeah.
Crazy. Ready?
Alright. Oh, so we can use this.
Oh, man. Look like a shot ball.
William. I want to sing a leg.
Man. Gotcha.
You want to take one with him?
Not yet. Good pass. Sorry, man.
I already told him that you were
Pull it. Yeah. Bad. Ahora tiene el Morgan. Bien. Ahora en el Morgan. Gotcha. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Yeah. Put it. So we are in the wax museum. Yeah. Man. Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam. Rockstone, look at all that. George Washington. George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. So Lincoln himself. So Washington himself. Come here, go take a picture, you want it. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Man. Oh God. If I look really man like it's still a blaze.
Right?
Kylia, look at me. Gotcha.
You want to get some water on your top?
I wonder who. Where's the Bob Marley himself? Who's this, man? Who is this, man? Mr. Trump. What Donald? What Donald? Mr. Obama. Mr. Obama himself. What Mr. Obama, man? Take them white. Yeah, watch it soon. Mad thing. Oh, my White House here. Go and take a seat in my White House. Yeah. Let's see my White House, you know. Ready? Look at that. We know you know what. You know, take a picture with the Trump. Donald Trump. Kinda. That's Donald Trump. Wait, one more. Yeah. Oh, this man, Luther. Martin Luther King, ELI. There. Heal. One more. Martin Luther King and himself. Yes. Martin. How is Einstein himself? One Einstein. Gotcha. One Einstein. One Einstein. Man. Celebrity soup. Oh, that not Steve. Steve, are you that? It's a Jobs. Steve, are you that? One Steve. It's a Jobs himself. Man himself, man. David Beckham. Beckham himself. Martin. Mad. Neymar, see, look who this. Mad thing, man. Let's go inside that champ. One champ. Wow, me dolly. See, Kylie will have a backstage. Mad. One. Watch out the shadow of dance. Watch out. Tough. The shadow of dance. Tough. Yeah, champ. Champ still a move. Man. Lexi, you want to go do it? Press the green button and say how much where you can touch. The red button them fast enough.
Dress for this.
Man.
And I said you're supposed to do that.
One Neymar. One Neymar. Oh, this Miss Williams. Neymar, you want Neymar? Yeah, you want a picture of Neymar? Yeah. Neymar. One Neymar Jr. Great man. One Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille, I want to go out with the armpit. One Shaquille O'Neal. Mr. Tiger Woods. Tiger Woods. Pharrell. Yeah, Alexis, it's a Pharrell for real. Man. Riri! 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 What about the Riri? Riri! Yes, girl. What Riri? Riri! Rihanna. Yeah, Henry Styles. Madonna. Madonna. Selena Gomez. Wow. Selena Gomez. Wow. Come in, Lexi, see arena, you're going there. them there. Eh? Is it this? Wow. No, Kylie. Let go, don't touch Kylie. Yeah, put it on the other side. Ready? Kylie, come on. Then Beyonce this. Eh? Beyonce you that? Come right out. How would that Elvis impress himself? What? Ricky Martin. Hold on. King of yeah. Michael, are you that? No, it's right. Take it. You go, man. Yeah. Michael. Man, it's a Jackson. Oh my God. Whoopi Goldberg! Stop. Whoopi Goldberg. Nice. Rockstone. Tonight show. Come Lexi, you're on the show. You and Kyle are on the show tonight. Got it. Man. Oprah. Oprah Winfrey. Man. That was amazing. That was so cool.
Specialized digital devices placed around the sea. Look for the glowing yellow signals and tap activate to begin transmission of 4 is too long to join the lead and save the sea. First, you need to escape Mexico.
I thought it was done. Flash. Wow. That's a flash right there. Hey, Leah. S9 chest.
Kaya, come back.
Man. Crazy. Superman. The bat. Who is this? Aquaman. Wow. Shrek. Shrek. Sorry.
Vivian.
Kylia. Kylia. Cheese. Say cheese. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yay! Kylie, cheese! Yeah, cheese! Jackie Chan! Jackie Chan! Yeah! This is crazy, man. Woo! Kung Fu Panda. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Jennifer Lopez. Man. Jack himself. Johnny Depp. was amazing. That was amazing. That was pretty cool. Like, wow. Where's Alexi? How was that?
That was
nice. Wax museum. That was a wax museum. Like OMG. What a crazy adventure. Icon Park, massive. So, yeah. Mad thing. One thing about the wax museum, so it's this time I know. Yeah. There's so many things to do here.
Now down back up to the wall a little more. Look at the camera. Give me a nice smile. 3, 2, 1. Second when you come up towards that tape. Face each other. Look up to the camera. Smile.
Wow.
Kylie, look up, baby. Look at that.
3, 2, 1. One time, look up.
Look up,
3,
baby. Up.
2, 1. Hold on to that, alright?
Okay, so we do the same thing, right? We scan and then we get the
Alright, that's what happened.
Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Icon Park. Man. Yeah, so this is actually the Orlando Eye. We're waiting to go on the Orlando Eye. It's just us traveling though, yeah? It's just us. Oh, so it doesn't stop. You just walk in it. So you up it like a bus. Ooh. Yeah.
Please stand clear of the closing doors.
Okay. And the door is shut, so now I can let go kind of.
Yeah, I can connect the Bluetooth in here and play music.
Oh, I can play music.
How safe is this thing?
What does this say? Oh. Yeah. By the time we do it, yeah, man. So this is the Orlando Eye, and we are going to see Orlando right now. So big up to everybody who actually watching the video right now, and you know, this is the entire tour of Icon Park. It's a long video, but you don't know, we got to do it like this.
Hello, flyers, and welcome aboard. You have embarked on a wondrous 400-foot ascent to essential flight. Cruising at a leisurely 1 mile per hour, you'll get to know the sights of Orlando aboard the tallest observation wheel on the East Coast. Be sure to have your cameras ready and take a moment to locate the north, south, east, and west markers above the windows so you know where to look. Gazing out over this thriving city, it's hard to believe that what you see began as lakes, wetlands, and palmetto prairie. But something about Orlando has always held a special fascination for dreamers who came from far and wide to make their visionary ideas reality. Well, today, most people know us for our theme parks and first-class hospitality. The story of Orlando and its legacy of dreams goes back thousands of years, when the original wheel was the hot new tech. In the beginning. Well, okay, actually about 12,000 years ago, the first humans set foot in the region, now known as Central Florida. But unlike you, they didn't arrive to palm trees and sunshine. Would you believe that back then, Florida was frozen in a prehistoric ice age? These ancient nomads learned to live among the glaciers, making them the first Florida snowbirds. When the mighty glaciers melted, they created thousands of inland lakes. These new water sources drew many of Florida's indigenous tribes, like the Timucua and the Tocomaca, farther south. Centuries later, the Seminoles would inherit these tribes' ancestral lands after relocating to Florida from farther north. In 1513, Spanish conquistadors arrived in Florida, chasing dreams of eternal youth and expanded empire. These explorers found the temperate climate ripe for growing citrus and planted the region's first orange trees. Driving more European colonization. By the early 1800s, few settlers had tamed the marshy central Florida wilderness that was then part of Mosquito County. Besides a few lawless outposts and a Seminole tribe reservation, the area was largely unpopulated until 1845, when the U.S. Army established Fort Gatlin near modern-day downtown Orlando. Old legend tells us of a Fort Gatlin soldier who lost his life single-handedly saving the fort from an ambush. His name was Orlando Reeves. When his fellow soldiers buried him on the banks of Lake Eola, they carved his name on a tree to mark the grave. Some say this is where our city got its name. After the Seminole Wars ended, fortune seekers left the crowded northern cities to make their marks in Central Florida's young citrus industry. By 1875, the region had grown so much that it was incorporated into a city. Orlando was born, and soon a new wave of dreamers was knocking at its door.
3, 2, 1, ignition.
The 20th century ushered in an industrial revolution, opening minds to new spheres of opportunity, including the stratosphere. After World War II, the country's fixation turned to rockets. Orlando found itself at the center of space fever when aerospace giant Martin Marietta, later Lockheed Martin, slashed it in 1956. This was a prelude to the influx of rocket ships to Central Florida just 2 years later, as part of NASA's Project Mercury, headquartered 50 miles east of Cape Canaveral. As early as the 1880s, Central Florida had a toehold in the tourism industry with a few quaint lakefront hotels. But the opening of the Walt Disney World Resort in 1971 thrust this quiet citrus town into the role of global destination, and Orlando never looked back. SeaWorld splashed onto the scene in 1973, bringing the ocean's wonders to Florida's heartland. And in 1990, Universal Studios added a little movie magic to Orlando with the opening of its first Florida theme park. Orlando's landscape has been shaped by a community of dreamers that continues to push the heights of the city's experience. And speaking of heights, in a few moments, your own Orlando experience. So get ready, it's time to own the sky.
this is way up in the sky. Like, it is this high. Like, boy. Everything gets small down this. Only person right now have a little coolness in them foot is Kylie. Next time I think me I'll go panda.
Congratulations! Oh, the sky like a true dreamer from 400 feet in the air. For good measure, that's taller than the Magic Kingdom Cinderella Castle and Universal Studios Hogwarts Castle stacked on top of each other. Check out that view! As we coast over one of the highest arcs in the Sunshine State, I'll introduce you to some of my favorite hometown spots. Looking directly north, you may see something
Over 400
a little out of place in the central Florida skyline. A smoking volcano! This brimstone peak is the centerpiece of Universal Orlando Resort's Volcano Bay Water theme park. Back in 1990, Universal made history by opening up its first theme park and movie studio outside Hollywood. Today, this 500-acre resort brings the true Tinseltown experience to Central Florida with its Seawalk Entertainment District, top-notch resort hotels, and both Universal Studios Florida and Island of Adventure parks. To the northeast, up the soaring spine of I-4, you can see the office buildings and high-rises of downtown Orlando. Downtown is the center of the thriving community of arts, technology, and healthcare innovation that also calls Central Florida home. Any basketball fans on board? Downtown Orlando's Amway Center is the official home court of the Orlando Magic. Back in 1992, the Magic drafted a tall, fresh out of college named Shaquille O'Neal. From what I hear, he did all right for himself, but I think the wheel still has a few inches on him. Directly east, on the other side of Universal Boulevard, are the rooftops of Lockheed Martin's Missile and Fire Control Facility. Inside, some of aerospace's brightest talents mastermind the latest ballistic technologies. Even farther east, another group of geniuses have their eyes in the sky. Does NASA ring a bell? If you look past the cooling towers of Stanton Energy Center, you might spy the blinking airplane lights atop the Kennedy Space Center's vehicle assembly building. This 500-foot structure has served as the delivery room for some of NASA's biggest babies, from the Saturn V rocket to the Space Shuttle fleet. Since 1962, Kennedy Space Center has launched every major American mission into the final frontier.
This is so scary. Like, big man thing. This is scary.
Today, space fans from all over may be times at the Kennedy Space Center visitor complex for launches. But my favorite place to watch is from right up here. Looking to the southeast, you might see a plane or two flying over the control tower of Orlando International Airport, known as Hawaii Air Force Base. The military hasn't used the airfield since the 70s, but its airport code, FCO, stuck. Turning farther to the south, you'll get a good look at International Drive, home to some of Orlando's most popular restaurants, pubs, and attractions. I-Drive is also home to the Orange County Convention Center, the second largest convention center in the United States, distinguished by its dramatically stacked windows. This massive complex covers over 160 acres and counting. A little farther south, you'll see the twisting tracks of SeaWorld's Mako rising above the convention center. This 200-foot thrill ride is the largest roller coaster in Orlando. In addition to world-class thrills, SeaWorld is home to hundreds of rescued and rehabilitated fish, ocean mammals, and other creatures of the deep. Since opening in 1973, SeaWorld has grown to include the interactive dolphin experience at Discovery Cove and Aquatica Water Park. Looking southwest toward Tampa, you might notice what looks a little like a giant golf ball peeking over the treetops. This geodesic sphere actually hosts Spaceship Earth, the flagship attraction of Walt Disney World's Epcot. If you wanted to play golf with it, you'd need to be over a mile tall. Yeah! Did you know Walt Disney wasn't the first in his family to try his luck in Florida hospitality? In 1888, Walt's parents got married just west of Orlando in Lake County. They later moved to Daytona, where Walt's dad managed a hotel. It really is a small world. Directly west, toward the waters of Sand Lake, is the neighborhood of Dr. Phillips, named after the Orlando citrus baron who revolutionized soft drinks with flash pasteurization, a process that rids canned drinks of metallic flavor. Today, the Dr. Phillips Foundation supports all kinds of local community service and arts organizations. Dr. Phillips is where you'll find Bay Hill Club and Lodge, host of the PGA Tour's Arnold Palmer Invitational. In 1974, Golf's King bought the modest Bay Hill Club and made it into a luxury golf resort. PGA stars like Tiger Woods have owned homes in a neighboring town of Windermere.
Wow. I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. This is a scary ride.
It's scary?
This is
Not
scary.
scary.
It's not scary to you?
Probably because it's going slow. It's kind of relaxing.
So you sitting right there, so enough is scary to you. Like when at the peak. Yeah, this was a little bit light-headed for me. And it's mud eye.
Now, I know what you're thinking. An observation wheel as huge as this one has to be at the cutting edge of today's technology, right? Well, while the wheel is still a symbol of progress, the mechanics of this 400-foot marvel are not so different from the original Ferris wheel of 1893. When George Ferris Jr. introduced his 260-foot rotating wonder at the World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago, the Ferris wheel was a true innovation in engineering. The spinning behemoth was run on a 1,000 horsepower steam engine and could carry over 2,100 passengers at a time. The cabins were converted railroad cars, each outfitted with rotating chairs, so riders were literally at the height of comfort during their 20-minute revolution. Like its cast iron forefather, this wheel is supported by a cobweb structure of spindles and hubs. With the wheel opened back in 2015, it was the second tallest attraction of its kind in the United States and the 5th largest in the entire world. But instead of steam power, the wheel operates on 14 6.6 kilowatt engines with a combined 120 horsepower. And rather than tricked out box cars, its slim fiberglass capsules take inspiration from the string-driven steamboat tracks that sail the Alps. After 3 years of construction, the wheel took its inaugural flight on April 29, 2015. Of course, in true Orlando fashion, its grand opening was a real spectacle. All eyes were on Central Florida that rainy, windy morning as world-famous daredevil Nick Wallenda attempted to walk the spinning wheel without a harness. The king of the high-level braved the Florida weather and safely crested the 400-foot outer rim in a matter of 5 minutes, setting a world record for the greatest distance walked at the top of an observation wheel. Pretty iconic, right? But I don't recommend you try it. Of course, feats of daring aren't the only skyscraping spectacular the wheel has to offer. The wheel is programmed with 5 unique lighting effect sequences, and every night you can watch this big guy illuminate the Orlando skyline with its colorful light shows. Attention flyers! We are making our final descent into the wheelhouse, Icon Park's central gathering place. Icon Park offers a mix of attractions, restaurants, and shopping that's cut above the usual. From high thrills to trendy chills, every speed of fun is on hand in Orlando's hometown playground. Inside the wheelhouse, you and your squad can take an in-depth look and discover something amazing, from sharks to clownfish, inside Life Aquarium. If your lifestyle favors the generous, walk the red carpet on over to Hannah Tussauds. I hear it's the place to hobnob with Hollywood A-listers, Hall of Fame athletes, and even world leaders. Tell them the wheel sent ya. And if you're craving more high-altitude thrills, wing a ride out of the wheelhouse over to the 450-foot Orlando StarFlyer for a 60-mile-an-hour spin at dizzying heights. Does all that high flying have you hungry? Lucky for you, Icon Park has dozens of dining options, from light bites to full meals. Whether you're in the mood for burritos, burgers, sushi, or sweets, Icon's got your taste buds covered. And if you want to know where the party is, it's right here at Icon Park. When the Florida sun sets, we're just revving up for a night of bumping beats, sizzling eats, and some potent potables. And what better place to get a little buzz on than at 400 feet aboard the Wheel Skywalk? If you're itching to cut loose country style, scoot your boots on over to Old Red for some twanging tunes, good home cooking, and irreverent fun, courtesy of Nashville superstar Blake Shelton. Attention flyers! We're approaching Wheelhouse Station. I hope you enjoyed your flight aboard the Wheel. It's been a blast sharing with you the sights and stories of my home, Orlando. You're one of the family now, and if you took any cool family pics on your journey, be sure to tag them at Icon Park Orlando or hashtag Icon Park on social media. I hope you enjoy the rest of your time here in the City Beautiful or wherever your travels take you. Please gather your belongings and stand by to disembark. Until next time, flyers, so long and keep dreaming.
Wow, this was really cool. Really cool. It's actually faster than I think it is. To make this full rotation and reach down, it is moving pretty slow, but it was a good speed. Yes, Alex?
Yeah, it was good. It never at the speed that it went, before that it's going to make it a little bit relaxing.
Yeah, so you have to up off it though, like you jump out of one bus. You understand? But for 20 minutes, that was really cool. That's how people actually go aboard. Look.
Please stand clear of the opening doors. Doors are now opening.
And the door is automatic.
Watch your step as you exit the cabin. We do have a survey in the sky shop if you'd like to let us know how we're doing. And thank y'all so much for joining us.
Mad thing, respect. Oh, make a look. Make a look, a double check to make sure it's empty. That is it.
Yeah, just make sure you didn't lose anything.
Leave anything. Yeah, man. It's great. Wow, that was super cool. Nice. Look at it. How much is this gonna cost us? That's really cool. That's beautiful though. Oh my word, man. Yeah. Lexi, you want we take that? Okay. Alright. Wow, that was a really good ride, and trust me, for 20 minutes, tell me what you think. Man. Yo, that was mad high, like super high. Like, oh. Whew. Yeah, me have some crazy fun. Me not go around there. No joke, no doubt. Yeah. So all massive. If you love the video, please may I beg you to like the video, share it, subscribe. That's actually a full tour of Icon Park in Orlando, Florida. Yeah, and this is the main building right here. Yeah. Woyoy. Yeah, it was a great video and thing. No joke, no doubt. Woo!
Alright, so that's basically it for the activities. Fabian is asking me to give a little breakdown of what it cost us. So it was $130 with tax for everything that we did, and that was for Fabian and I. So we rode the Orlando Eye, the 20-minute ride, and we also did the Wax Museum, the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, the Sea Life Aquarium, the Sea Life Aquarium, and then we rode the carousel. So individually these would cost way more, but when you bundle them, they have some bundles. You can always Google it, just Google Icon Park, and you will see the activities and the cost. I think it was pretty worth it, and they provide digital copies of the photographs that were taken in each attraction. They also provide physical copies that you would have to pay for, but the digital copies will work fine for us. We'll just print them and frame them as we see fit. So I think it was a day well spent.
Yeah, and also for the slingshot, I think the slingshot
was $40 per person.
Right.
And if you want the video, because they record the ride, so if you want the video, it's $20, and you can also pay an additional $5 for a souvenir t-shirt. Yeah, so I think it's a great place for families to come. Even if you don't have any money, like if you're staying somewhere near here, you can just come and sit, let your kids play, carry their toys or something and play, but it's a lot cheaper than the theme parks, and you know, very fun. So I'm really tired now, so I'm signing out. Bye.
So yeah, big up our massive, man. I tell you, say yo, I had fun. So much ride, so much thing. We know it's a long video, but at least I get a really good description as to what Orlando Park look like, which is the Icon Park, and all of the ride them in there. So from the Wax Museum to the Orlando Eye and to the underwater aquarium, which is the Sea Life. I think it's Orlando Sea Life. Yeah, it was great. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. One love. With the foreign crazy amount of videos to come, and we just a start. So big up and respect. If you watch thus far, you're not yet like, please my beg, like the video right now. Before we lock off the video, before we close the video, like the video right now. Me I wait. Me I beg you, like the video right about now. It's just great, it's just beautiful. Please me I beg you, like the video. Me I wait. Orlando with there. You understand? Yeah. Remember, you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. You understand? Big up to Lexi, big up to little Jamaica walk by Kylie, my daughter, one love. We're there and we are doing it in a fine style in Orlando, and it's just amazing, it's just great, and we have fun. The ride them epic. So if you're not forward to Orlando, forward to the park, you see? Mad respect. Big up to all of my persons who are watching my videos. Me subscribe to them. We road to 200,000. And I know so before we leave up here, so we are going to reach 200,000 subscribers. So mad love, mad respect. Share the video please. If I have one, share to Facebook. And yeah, one more look as you walk through Icon Park. OMG, super nice. Super nice. Beautiful. Beautiful place. Yeah. You know the slingshot? Me now go back on it. Yeah. One love, that is it. Jamaica walk by. See? Outside me there.